Welcome to Artisan Technical Campus. Today we are going to discuss subject ISE. In yesterday's video, that is yesterday's topic, we have discussed about the IS, that is the information system, and I already told you yesterday that E is a engineering economics. So we are dealing with this first two letters, that is the IS system, that is the information system. So when we are talking about the information system, we are from last two videos beginning with the unit number 2. That is the itself the name is MIS. That is nothing but the management information system. Management of information system. So when we talk about the MIS, management information system, the introduction part we have discussed in the video number 1, and in yesterday's video we have talked about the ethical and social issues. So first and second, ethical and social issues. So ethical and social issues, just yesterday we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss about the today's topic, that is the information system security and control. So this is the today's topic, and we can say the third topic. So next we are going to discuss about the information system security and control. So when we discuss about the MIS, that is the management of information system, and as I already told you, when there is a huge data, there is a big data, because we know that data creation is not a problem. Data is get created on a huge amount via your social networking like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. As huge amount of data is get created, so we need to manage it in a proper way. So managing the information system, managing the data in a huge amount, that is a very big challenge in case of MIS, management of information system. Now, in case of ethical and social issues, we have discussed that there are some ethical points, there are some social policies we need to follow when we are discussing, when we are handling, we are sharing the data or information in a social network. Okay, means Twitter, when somebody is tweeting, or WhatsApp, you are sharing some files, then there should be some ethical points, there should be some social points you need to take care of it. Now, in today's topic, we are discussing about the information system security. Now, as information system is handling a huge amount of information, then that security of that data is very important. The control of somebody on that data is very important. When we talk about the security, we need to take care of these points. That is the 3 points that we are going to discuss. That is number 1, vulnerability. Number 2, that is threats. And number 3, that is attack. Now, vulnerability is nothing but a danger or the possibility of damage in a system data or in the system. Threats, threats can be there, because threats in case of that you can say that is some kinds of harm. So threats can be happen with the software problems, with the hardware problems, with the programming codes, and third is the attack by the unauthorized access. When the data of your organization, data of your institution is get accessed by the external unauthorized entity, external unauthorized person, then that we are saying as the attack. So in that case, we are discussing with these points. You can see the slides also. So see these particular slides I am going to share with you. And we are going to discuss one by one the points. So when we are going to discuss about the information system security and the control, we need to take care of these following points that are the dealing with the security points. So what is the security? Very first thing, that security is nothing but the something you can need to do with your data, something you need to take care. So you are not going to buy something, okay? It is the kind of process or kind of task that makes your data free from danger, that makes you the secure from the external intruders. Now vulnerability, threats, and the attack. So vulnerability is a weakness in a security system that is designed and that needs to take care at the time of design and implementation. Vulnerability can be happen because of the hardware or software. In case of threats, it is a set of circumstances that has the potential to cause the harm or loss of the data, not in a permanent manner, but for the temporary loss also there. In case of threats, it is a potential violation of the security. Threats can be the accidental as well as the malicious. So when we talk about the threats, it can be the accidental, they can be the malicious. So when we say the accidental threats, they are caused by the natural disaster, by the human being, sudden power off, or the fire, or the you can say any natural disaster, floods that cause the accidental threats. In the malicious case में क्या आएगा? That is attackers, intruders, insiders, fraud people, unauthorized people. That all will come under the category of malicious. So what is attack? It is actually a violation of security. So when your physical security at your gateway is not proper, then that is a, you can say the attack. That we are using the what do you say, walls and the any kind of software systems. Now, what is the system? Why systems are vulnerable? Hardware problems, software problems, disaster because of power failure, flood, and the fires. Now, use of networks and computers outside firms, when you are having the systems that is authorized by your organization institute, and you are using that system with outside of the organization, that will also cause the vulnerability. Next, system vulnerability and abuse, that is a disaster, security. Okay, so destroys disaster. In case of disaster, we can say that there is a permanent damage of the system. There is a permanent damage of the data files, programs. Then, in case of security, it prevents unauthorized access, alternation, theft, that is data theft, and physical damage. Now, these are some again small points that can be happen in case of risk and threats environment. High level of risk and threats can be happen because of the high knowledge of the end user, high IT knowledge, IT system knowledge, theft and storage because of the virus attack, because of the system and network failure, lack of documentation. If it is not proper, then there is also the possibility of security loss. Documentation is also not there properly maintained. Lapse of physical security, okay, that is allowed. If physical security is not proper, unauthorized people can enter into the organization, can access your files. And natural calamities like flood, fire. Now, there are some application controls like input, processing, and output. So now we are moving to the third word, creating a control environment. How the control can be possible there? Then applying some proper method, policies, and procedure while handling the data, while sharing the data. Ensuring protection of organization access, assets protections. So there should be the some password, okay, firewalls kind of protection and security systems. To the your when you are having a network transmission, then there should be the firewall kinds of protections. Physical security on the gateways. Third, control can be possible by accuracy and reliability of records and operational adherence to management standards. So there are some specific physical and logical standards while handling and sharing the data information. That is the things that will help you while controlling the IS security. Now another thing is that can be used for the control of environment of the IS security, that is the duplicating all processes and transactions of server on backup server to prevent any interruption. So that is the mirroring, duplicating all processes. And next is the clustering. We linking two computers together so that the second computer can act as a backup to the primary computer or speed up the processing. So mirroring and clustering. Mirroring means duplicating the same processes, and clustering means linking the two computers, one making primary and another will make up as a secondary backup, so that it will boot up the process. So these two things is also useful in an IS security control. So when we talk about the internet security, the word that is the, when we talk about the attack, then we need to take care of the two words. That is the number one, we are saying the firewalls. And firewalls can be a software or can be a hardware. It is used in a network environment, creating a control network environment. So internet security challenges. So internet security challenges, what is the thing is that firewalls and another is IDS. That is the intrusion detection system. That is also known as the intrusion detection system. So intrusions are the unauthorized access, unauthorized people or unauthorized programs. So when we say about the firewalls, so firewalls are nothing but the software hardware controlling flow of incoming and outgoing network traffic. So firewall can be a software, firewall can be a hardware. It may be a software program or it may be a hardware device. So when we talk about the firewall, so it's simply controlling the network traffic, it's simply internet security control. And next is the IDS, intrusion detection system. It monitors vulnerable points in network to detect and detect unauthorized intruders. So whatever the unauthorized intruders are there, unauthorized people, unauthorized programs are trying to attack in your system. So IDS will work there. So it is a software system, intrusion detection system. Firewall may be a hardware device, firewall may be a software that will simply control the flow of incoming and outgoing network traffic and thereby controlling the unauthorized access to your system data, to your authorized data. So internet system security controls, there is again encryption, there is authentication and message integrity. So encryption between the two peoples of the system, coding and scrambling of messages to prevent their access without authorization. Authentication, third party or whatever the another person that want the permission, that should be the authentic person while sharing the data. And message integrity, ability to ascertain that transmitted message has not been copied. Then again the third point is next point is the digital signature and digital certificates. Digital signature is nothing but a digital code attached to electronically transmitted message to uniquely identify contents and sender. So आपका जो भी डेटा सेंड हो रहा है उसको एक पर्टिकुलर डिजिटल सिग्नेचर चाहिए, दैट इज द ऑफ ऑथराइज्ड पर्सन, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हेड का, प्रिंसिपल का, मैनेजमेंट का. So that is authorized signature that this data is authentic data. Okay. Then digital certificate, it is attachment to electronic message to verify the sender and the provider receiver. It means to enforce reply. तो digital certificate एक attachment होता है that is simply giving or simply telling you that this is a particular data authentic to this particular person, particular organization, particular institution. So digital certificate as well as digital signature, both are the internet security challenges and both are simply giving the I view that it is authentic data and this is the particular sender and this is data for only to these receivers. So it is authentication to the sender and receiver. Then second is the secure electronic transactions. Nowadays we are using the UPI, PhonePe, Amazon Pay. These are the simply standard for securing credit card transaction over internet and other network. So secure electronic transactions. So what are the different management challenges while taking care of the IS security and controls? Implementing an effective security policies, applying quality assurance. What are the most important software quality assurance techniques, and why are auditing information system and safeguard data quality so important? So these are the challenges in front of management. Auditing the data in always, that is also helpful in information security environment. So these are the topics we need to take care, and these are this is the today's topic, that is the information system and control from the unit number 2 of the subject ISE. Unit number 2 itself is the management of information system, and for up to the 3 units we are dealing with the IS work. Next last 3 units we will be dealing with the engineering information. So for today we are going to stop. Just try to remember the keywords, that is the vulnerability, threats, attack. Vulnerability caused by the hardware problems, software problems. Threats can be accidental threats, malicious threats, attacks in an internet environment, that can be the firewalls and the IDS. So try to remember the headlines, try to remember the keywords. We are going to stop for today. Thank you to all of you.